Welcome to the channel. I'm Ezekiel. Sorry for the background noise, but if you follow accordingly, you'll get it. Today we'll be making a movie poster design. Let's get to it. So first of all, we have to insert our image. So let's insert our image. It's very simple. We are just inserting our image. So let's get it done. Sorry for the background noise. So we have to insert our image. And position it well. Let's zoom this one a little bit. Zoom it a little bit. Follow the tutorial accordingly, you probably understand. So we add the sky, to it. Sorry for the background noise. Add the sky to it. Oh, come on. And let's add this one too. I'll provide the resources in the description below so you can download it for free. I have to reduce the opacity. Let's reduce the opacity. Maybe multiply. Let's choose multiply. Okay, this one is good. Let's increase it a bit. Okay, it's not bad. Okay, now let's add this element to the background. It's like a rock. Zoom it a little bit. Sorry for the background noise. Let's. So you are just positioning. Sorry. We are just positioning. So we are just positioning the image. Positioning the image. After that, we'll work on it. We add some blur. Okay. Let's reduce the model a little bit. It's too large. Okay. Now this is what we have. So we have to work on it. Add blurs, shadows, and a lot of that. You have to follow accordingly. And so once again, sorry for the background noise. So let's get it done. So first of all, you have to insert this thing. So alright, create a new layer. Create a new layer. Press on B for brush. Select white brush. We have to brush this area to create a little separation between the floor and the rock. You'll be making changes along the way. Okay. Then let's reduce this color. We are reducing the brightness, not the color. So let's reduce the brightness. Click on this place, select brightness. Click on creeping mask, this place. Then reduce the brightness. Let's reduce the brightness a little bit. Okay. We can change this as we move on. And let's reduce the brightness of the rock also. Same process, brightness. Click on this place, reduce the brightness a little bit. And let's reduce this layer too. So let's merge this background, this one and this one. So hold on control, click on this image to select both. Right click on it and click on convert to smart object. So we have merged it. Let's reduce the brightness also a little bit. let's increase it a bit. Okay, increase the size. So now we have to work on the actual image, but first let's blur some parts. Let's blur this part, the rock. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Let's blur it a bit. Okay, this one is too much, 3.5. Okay, I think it's okay. Let's blur the rock. Click on this place, Gaussian blur. Blur it a little bit. I think it's okay. So now let's group the background. Press on this first layer, the second layer, and hold Alt and press on the last layer. Press Ctrl G to group it and can rename it background. You can duplicate it, hide one, then we lock this one. Yeah, we lock this one. So now this is what we have, the background. And so now we are about to work on the model. Filter, camera raw. I want to sharpen it a little bit. You're waiting. subscribe. Okay, so go to the shadow. Let's reduce the shadow a bit. Black, increase it a bit. Texture, let's increase the texture. Clarity, let's increase it. But can click here to compare. Compare what we are doing. Saturation, let's increase a little bit. Okay, I think it's okay for now. Okay, so this is what we have. See the difference? This one and this one. Okay, I want to save the project. Okay, so now this is what we have. Let's make a little shadow for it. Shadow, B for brush. So let's brush shadow to make a little shadow here. Can reduce the opacity. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to erase some of the elements. So you saw what I did. Let me go back. Click on this place, the image, click on this area, then press E for eraser. I have to erase this part a bit for the image to blend in well. Let's zoom it. You can select, change the eraser, you change it to black to reverse the change. If it is too much, reverse the change. Okay, now let's reduce the brightness of the model. The same process as we did. Reduce the brightness of the model. So create new layer, click on creeping mask, B for brush, and let's brush some of the part. Reduce the opacity. Let's brush some part. We're just making it so that it will blend in well with the image, because there's not really a source of light here. Okay, let's see the difference. Okay, so now let's add a little source of light. New layer, B for brush, select it white. Let's add a little bit of, yeah. Control Z for backwards. Let's increase the opacity. A little bit of, yeah. Then we reduce the opacity. Okay. What is the difference? Okay, so now let's add filters to it. So we have to add filters. Let's see the one which will work well. So click on this bar, color lockup. Let's see the one which will work well with this image. This one is good. Let's choose soft one. Maybe blue, something, or blue. Yeah, reduce the oil blue a little bit. Or let's reduce. Sorry for the background noise. So just play along with it. Okay, I want to know what looks good. So you can just play along with the filters. Choose any filter of filters. And it's okay, it's okay. So let's take this one. Okay. So we have to image the image, filter, click on. If this is a plugin, if you don't have it, so comment it below. I can give you the link to download it for free. It's a plugin, filter plugin. So we wait. Sorry for the background noise. Kindly subscribe. I know a lot of people won't make it here, but if you are here, then you are really eager to learn. So subscribe for me. Okay. Okay, now see the difference. A little bit of light. I really like filters. I like filters. I eat filters. So the difference. Let's add some blur into it. It's too much size. Reduce the size. Reduce the transition. Okay. So you have to play along. The one that is nice for you. If you've really made it this far, then you are eager to learn. Thank you. Now wait. We wait. Okay, so here's the difference. This one and this one. Yeah. So technically we are done. We are done. You can add some light, some just not compulsory. But let's test it. Let's see if it will look kinda nice or we just ignore it. Maybe some light ray. It's okay. So technically this is the final way. But you can go ahead, maybe filter. No, let's add this tester. I almost forgot. Let's add this tester. Hey, this is nice. Sorry. Okay. Select on screen. Then we reduce it. Totally reduce it. Just small tester effect. Can erase some parts. Same process. Erase some parts. Reduce the opacity. Erase some parts. Okay, you have to choose white. And erase some parts. Sorry for the background noise. So technically we are done. So this is the final work. We are done. So this is a movie poster design. I know it's a really long tutorial with less energy, but thank you for watching. Subscribe. See you.